better for them because if the concurrency is very strong, they don't have chance to play. Better to them to play experience and come back. This experience don't even not sitting in the bench, no friendly games, they are going down.
Ya, katanya ini jauh lebih baik sama mereka untuk pergi untuk cari pengalaman di peminjaman. Katanya kalau kompetisi di antara tiap lini itu sangat kuat, mereka duduk di bench pun katanya ini tidak akan membantu perkembangan mereka. Dan pada saat katanya mereka tidak melakukan friendly game seperti yang kita ketahui jadwal padat kita, ini tidak akan membantu. Lebih baik mereka ke peminjaman, dapat pengalaman, katanya kembali lagi gunakan pengalaman.
In some position we are very hard concurrency.
Ya, di dalam beberapa posisi katanya ada persaingan kuat di dalam tim.
Only can play one, can play three.
Cuma satu yang bisa main malah, nggak bisa main tiga.
It's very hard to get the chance to play.
Ya, susah untuk mendapatkan
But I wish I can put some young boys to play, but they are not ready yet. If you see training, if they're ready, I put him. He's the better than Willy, than Anko, than Rashid, than Arfan. I put him. I not put young boy if he's good, but some of them not ready. The people, maybe family members, they are just talking nonsense. They are why not put, why not? Everybody talking about Saiful. Saiful did a fantastic job. Everybody say goalkeeper is no good. I'm not agree about that. It's not about goalkeeper. About all the team have to defend. No goalkeeper.
Nah, katanya ya inilah katanya yang kita pikirkan pada saat katanya pemain-pemain muda lebih baik dari contoh misalnya Willy, Angko, Rashid. Kenapa tidak katanya kita akan mainkan. Namun mereka butuh katanya pengembangan dengan mencari pengalaman.